Welcome to my channel, Isa Knowledge World. Subscribe and like for more videos like this. Today we will discuss about things to do when you're bored. So let's get started. Organize your table, which is a productive space and workplace, which will make you more attractive and interested towards the work. Complete your pending work. I have completed my homework. You can complete any work, your important office work or kitchen work or your clean your utensils. Paint and draw. Do you know painting and drawing, which will make you creative and benefit more in relaxing you and help in expressing yourself? Here are some paintings. Play some sports which will make you healthy and energized. Do you know if you play and then study, your concentration is higher? So play some sports. Here I have played badminton. You can play any sport. Read a book which will build your imagination and which will help you in self development. Here I am reading The Magic of Thinking Big. I am drinking a coffee or a black tea. Clean your desktop. Cleaning your desktop, delete unnecessary file which will create less traffic in your computer, and when you need the computer you can access it easily. See now how it's clean. Do some online courses which will help you in your self development and will make you more knowledgeable about things. If you want some free sites, it will be in my next video. Here I am learning code, HTML code, which is very beneficial for students. You can learn any online course, free or purchase, if you want to. Learn anything, making animation to drawing and cooking. I am feeling interested with HTML. Talk with the family and friends, which will make you more relaxing and will make you know that how they experience their life and will make you more experienced in life if you talk with family and friends, and which will build your relationship. So stay connected with the family and friends. Cook anything, bake. I baked a cake a week ago. Comment me below what you baked or cooked. Play board games with the family and friends, example Ludo, chess, carom, etc. by staying indoors. And you can also make your own board games by paper and anything that you have. Learn a new language. I learned French in this lockdown. So what you learned, comment me below. By learning a new language which will make you more knowledgeable about languages. Write a journal. Journal is the best way to express yourself. Write a bullet journal or a simple journal. It's on you. Doodle, draw a simple thing which you like. So our video is ending. Subscribe and like for more. Thank you.